We'll start designing this logo from the text. So first write the text of the logo by using this text tool, and here write the logo title. Now from the character, make it 5 and change the font from here. Let's choose this font and drag it by using Alt key and make duplicate. Now double click and now write the tag, drag it and make it smaller in size and bring on the middle, and again go to character, change the font. Now select both and align horizontally centers. Now select them and bring it to the middle. Now from here add a new layer, and on this new layer we'll draw the shapes of the logo. And now take ellipse tool and draw a circle here. So you can draw the circle by pressing Shift key. And bring it to here. Now select this and drag it by pressing Alt key and make duplicate. Now let's change the color of this new shape. So use this paint bucket tool, and from here you can choose different color. Now select this two shape by pressing Shift key, go to layer, and here combine shape option, subtract from front shape. Now by pressing Alt key, make duplicate and make bigger in size, and here you can rotate it and make it more nearby. Can rotate this one too. And bring it nearby by using arrow keys. Now from the toolbar, select the pen tool, and you can change the color from here if you want. And now draw a leaf. You can change the direction of this by pressing Alt key and drag it. Now make duplicate by pressing Alt key, and from edit there is a transform, and you can flip vertically and you can rotate it. Take this one little bit down. Now select this by pressing Alt key, make duplicate. Now select this new and this one, go to layer, combine shapes, and choose this option. Now take this pen tool once again, and by changing color, let's match up with this. Now select this and this, layer, combine shape, and click here. Now take this pen tool once again, and from here to here, make a complete shape. Now select them and merge shapes. So this become one shape now. Now take pen tool once again, and from here draw a shape like this. And change the direction by using Alt key. And up to here. Now select this and this, layer, combine shape, and click on this. Similarly, here also we need one more gap inside the leaf. So take this pen tool, change the color. I'm changing the color because if we use the same color, it would be not easier for us to identify. So from here up to here, draw like this. Now change the direction by using Alt key. Now select these two by pressing Shift key, layer, combine shapes, and click here. And here we'll draw one small circle and bring it here. And here we need to draw a small rectangle from here to here. Make it a little bit less thickness. And now take this rectangular shape and draw a rectangle from here to here. Now select these two by pressing Shift key, go to layer, combine shapes, and click here. So select this and take this paint bucket tool, and from here you can change the color. Now select this and change the color for this one too. For this one, use this color. Now here you need to hide this background. Now select them and make a group. Now open your mockup. Double click here Now drag your logo over this mockup file. OK. Make it bigger in size by pressing Alt key. Simply drag it. Mark it, unmark this background and close it. Yes. So here you can see the result. Hope you like this tutorial. You can subscribe our channel and hit like button. Thank you.